Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you an an obby that I made. So this is the checkpoint. Just kidding, I tricked you. They're they're secret traps. Why do I keep breaking these? Okay, so I'll add this to my chest again. Wait, I don't want to go that. I want to wait. No, I don't want the checkpoint. I forgot. I have to go to the traps again, but you know they don't go up. Or maybe these work better. Which one's the actual trap though? I'm gonna go with this because I look like traps more actually. We're doing this. Okay, I'm gonna go with this actually more because they look. I don't know how to make them go up. Let's see if there's a way to make them go up. I want to see if there's a way to make them go up. Is there? I'm gonna just put a Fortnite coin here for. What did I do? 2. There's some items here. So I'm just gonna put some items back there for music. I tricked you again. So now we're gonna stage 2. Yes, done. I finished it. I just have to wait for these to crack. Then I'm all done the stage 3. There you go. I'm done the stage 3. One last stage, which is the wet. And you have to get this to do this. Then you have to do this. I'll show you how to do this. Like that. That's how you do it. So that's my obby that I made in Fortnite. Hope you guys like it. Boom. Now I have to go all the way back, which makes me sad. There you go. I did it. Oh my gosh, I did it again. Let's see if I can do it one more time. And yep, I ran out. Oh, but I was close there. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my obby. Make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. And guys, God bless you. I love you so much. Maybe my channel is actually a swimming channel, but it's okay. I'm gonna make some swimming videos. But anyways, bye guys.